Why don't senior bowlers need any tips? Because they already know the secret. Roll slow and steady and aim directly for the gutter. It's the only way to get a strike at the buffet line afterwards. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on bowling tips for seniors. Tip 1. Warm-up. Before bowling, warming up before starting any physical activity is essential, and bowling is no different. Seniors should make sure to take a few minutes to stretch their arm and leg muscles and prepare their body for the game to reduce the risk of injuries. Tip 2. Use a suitable ball. The weight of the bowling ball matters. For seniors, using a ball that is too heavy can be a strain on the muscles and joints, potentially leading to injury. Therefore, selecting a ball that is easy to handle and comfortable in weight is crucial. Tip 3. Take bowling classes. This is particularly beneficial for seniors who are new to bowling. Experienced coaches can provide essential insights, teach different techniques for bowling, and help seniors refine their skills. Tip 4. Use bowling shoes. Bowling shoes are designed to accommodate the polished surfaces of bowling lanes. For this reason, seniors should always wear a pair to improve their balance and reduce chances of slipping or falling. Tip 5. Maintain a balanced stance. A good stance happens to be one of the most important aspects of bowling that seniors should remember. Keeping your feet shoulder-width apart and maintaining a slight bend in the knee can help keep balance while rolling the ball. Tip 6. Always follow through. When releasing the bowling ball, a proper follow-through, in which your arm continues its forward motion after releasing the ball, can ensure better control and power. Tip 7. Practice frequently. Bowling skills improve with regular practice, and seniors are no exception. Frequent practice will help with increasing accuracy and consistency of bowling. Tip 8. Stay hydrated. Bowling can be a lengthy game, and at any age it's important to stay hydrated. Seniors should ensure they drink plenty of fluids before, during and after a game. Tip 9. Respect bowling. Etiquette. Everyone should learn and respect the etiquette of bowling, including waiting your turn, not crossing into another player's lane, and not disturbing other players when they are preparing to bowl. Tip 10. Use the correct grip. The bowling ball should not be too loose or too tight in your hand. A proper grip results in better control of the ball and minimizes the risk of strain or injury. Tip 11. Enjoy the game. Finally, the most important tip is to enjoy the game. Bowling is a social sport and a great way for seniors to engage with friends and family. It's about having fun and enjoying the game, regardless of whether you are winning or losing.